Picture this, you're chilling at home, maybe with friends, maybe alone, you want to play some music, but your phone speaker sounds flat and your so-called portable Bluetooth speaker is either dead or buried at the bottom of your bag. Now imagine pulling out something the size of a ping pong ball, sticking it to your coffee mug, and suddenly your mug turns into a full-blown speaker. Sounds like a party trick, right? Nope. That's exactly what anything speaker does, and it's real. With over 10,000 units sold, this little gadget is going viral for a reason. It turns almost any hollow object into a loud, rich, room-filling speaker using bone conduction technology. No big box, no wires, no junk. Let's dig into why anything speaker is being called the coolest speaker ever made. What is anything speaker? Anything speaker is a compact Bluetooth device that uses vibration technology to convert any hollow object into a powerful speaker. Think coffee cups, windows, pizza boxes, helmets, guitar bodies, shower walls, even your car's dashboard. It's powered by bone conduction technology, the same science used in some of the world's most innovative hearing aids and military-grade headsets. But instead of sending sound to your ears, it sends it into any object, turning the object itself into the speaker. And the result, loud, clear, unexpectedly impressive sound from things that were never meant to play music. It's also one of the smallest speakers ever created, just 1.5 inches in size. It fits in your pocket, yet it can get up to 3x louder than your smartphone. Best of all, you can pair two units together for 360-degree stereo sound. How does anything speaker work? The magic lies in bone conduction. Instead of pushing air through a traditional speaker cone, anything speaker sends vibrations through whatever object you attach it to. These vibrations make the object itself resonate like a speaker. And because every object has its own acoustic properties, each one creates a slightly different sound. Just follow these 3 steps. Connect via Bluetooth, pair it with your phone or device like any other wireless speaker. Attach it to a surface, use the included adhesive pad, a suction cup, or magnetic base. Hit play, watch the object come to life with your music. That's it, 3 seconds to surprise and impress anyone around. And yes, if you stick it on a guitar, it becomes a mini amp. If you stick it on glass, it sounds like music is floating in the air. Stick it to your fridge, and it's suddenly the life of the kitchen. Features and benefits of anything speaker. Here's what makes this device not just a toy, but a surprisingly useful piece of tech. Turns almost anything into a speaker. Coffee mug, water bottle, shoebox, suitcase, you name it. The sound possibilities are endless, and every object sounds a little different. Too pointy, but powerful. At just 1.5 inches in diameter, it fits in your pocket, your bag, your glove compartment, but don't be fooled by its size. It's up to 300% louder than your phone. Free, pair 2 for stereo sound, connect 2 units for immersive 360 stereo audio, great for parties, travel, or just turning your room into a concert hall. 4, super easy to use. No app, no complicated settings, just pair, stick, and play. 530-foot Bluetooth range. You can walk around the room without losing signal or connection. Crystal clear audio within range. 6 up to 3 hours battery life. Rechargeable battery that keeps you jamming longer than most tiny speakers. USB charging included. 7, fun learning tool. It's not just entertainment, it's a great way to teach kids about acoustics, vibration, and resonance in a hands-on way. 8, perfect travel companion. Way smaller than traditional Bluetooth speakers and doesn't take up any room. A must-have for campers, hotel stays, road trips, and beach days. How to use anything speaker. If you can use Bluetooth, you can use anything speaker. Here's the step-by-step process. Charge the speaker with the included USB cable. Full charge takes about 1 hour. Power it on and open Bluetooth on your phone. Pair the device. It will show up as anything speaker. Attach the speaker to any object using one of the included mounting methods. Suction cup for glass or smooth surfaces. Adhesive pad for wood, plastic, or uneven materials. Magnetic base for metal surfaces. Play your music from your favorite app. Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, you name it. Want louder sound? Pair 2 speakers together using your phone's Bluetooth setting to create a left-right stereo effect. Anything, speaker pros and cons. Pros. Truly unique concept. Makes anything a speaker. Compact and extremely portable. Loud, rich audio using bone conduction. Pairs with all Bluetooth-enabled devices. 2 speakers create 360-degree stereo effect. Easy to use and fun to experiment with. Long battery life for its size.
Great conversation starter.
Teaches real physics principles. affordable, especially with bundle deals. Cons? Sound quality depends on surface. Some objects sound better than others. Battery life may vary based on volume and surface. Works best on hollow or flat material. Limited bass compared to full-size speakers. But honestly, for the size and price, there's nothing else quite like it. Price and where to buy anything. Speaker. Right now, Anything Speaker is offering a 30% discount on all bundles, but stock is limited due to viral demand. Here are the available deals. Buy one, $39.95. Buy two, get one free, $99.9. These are some best value for gifts. Buy three, get two free accessory kit, $149. Every order comes with one extending speaker unit, charging cable, instruction manual, magnetic mount, suction cup, and adhesive pad, 30-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty. Free shipping on bundle orders. Orders ship from the USA within 24-48 hours and typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days. What real customers are saying, Miss Angelisa, this is a fun little speaker, and for the price, I have nothing to complain about, exactly as advertised. So I got what I expected. David, when you first play it without attaching it, you'll think there's no way this thing is gonna work. But stick it to anything, and boom, it's surprisingly loud. Jason, this is such a fun and educational tool, great for teaching kids how sound works. And yes, if you stick it on your head, it's like a concert in your skull. Conclusion. In a world full of boring Bluetooth speakers that all look and sound the same, Anything Speaker stands out not just for its size or portability, but for how fun and clever it is. It's not just a speaker, it's an experience. One that turns your daily surroundings into sound machines. One that makes music feel new again. One that reminds you tech can be simple, surprising, and joyful. Whether you're at home, at a party, on a hike, or teaching a class, this little device packs way more punch than you'd ever expect. And for the price, it might be the most impressive gadget you'll own this year. Grab yours while it's still on sale and bring your world to life, one object at a time.